Okay, it's Tuesday, February 1st. Just wanted to follow up on Microsoft. You can see here that Microsoft did, in fact, roll over. It's starting to test the lows now. So the puts here that were bought at 550, they're looking pretty good. Let me see. Let me go back to the option chain, see where they're at. You can see the puts here now. The 310s are at 615. So they're up a little bit. I mean, it's not a tremendous gain. They might push a little higher. I mean, it's the type of thing. I thought they might move a little stronger than this on the way up. So it's a matter of just watch these. You can get out here, take a no risk trade or something like that. The question is, are we going to take out these lows and move much lower? The thing that's a little tricky here is I still think in the bigger picture, Microsoft is more, I think the buys are still to the upside. The weekly chart did have a 2 up yesterday, although it didn't follow through. So as long as we hold the midpoint of this bar, I still think, like on the daily chart, well, this has the overnight action included in it. But in general, this is a 2 down day. And I think it's the type of thing where if we get a 2 up tomorrow, if we can get to the 309, 310 area, that's going to turn the weekly chart back up, the monthly chart, which started today, back up. And there's targets here on the weekly to hit like the 314 area. So I still think Microsoft looks like a better buy in the longer run. But just for today, given the weakness overall and that a market that was due to pause a little bit after a run up and Microsoft being weak, this was kind of what I was looking for. But the options really aren't expanding all that much. So just a matter of, do you want to take gains here? Maybe see if we push through these lows, and that would be the time I'd take the gains. And, either way, it's a decent trade. It was a decent attempt, but you're kind of going against some of the other continuity in place. And it's just a matter on the day. It felt like where the market might hesitate a little bit, that Microsoft being as weak as it is with a 2 down day might be the one that really, continues a little lower compared to some of the other stocks. So that's what's happening here. We'll see what happens, but just wanted to follow up. Decent overall, small little trade. And, I really have Microsoft on watch to buy in the days ahead. So we'll have to just see what happens.